Hi YouTube, Stan here from Collector87, and we have a Sun and Moon booster box today to open up. Got this from eBay. So what I'm going to first off check is if it's a mappable box. Now, when Sun and Moon was first released, you could kind of just pick out all the holos and GXs. So they kind of redid them so that you couldn't. But this one being off eBay, it might still be one that can be mapped. It might not. So we're going to try. So I'm going to open up the first pack from the left. I'm going to skip the uncommons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip the commons, sorry. Hopefully I've done that right. That should be Energy, Dragonair, Poliwhirl, Crashing Hammer. I like that card. That can go up about here. Stick that in my trainer pile. Lillipup is the reverse, and Cloyster is the rare. So what have we got? I've got that. Should do nicely. Right. That's in order. So next pack. We have a white code. So we got 4 and 2. And the first card is an Energy, a Statini, a Poliwhirl, a Bryn, a Crobat is a reverse rare, and the rare is a Tauros GX. So, if I can get the Tauros in the sleeve. Nice card, that great playable card. So hard to deal with. If you don't kill it first time, then you can be in a lot of trouble. So I'm going to move Tauros to here. Sorry about the glare, it's hard to see. So from that, we need to go 3 packs on. So 1, 2. So in theory, these are not good packs. 3. So we'll know straight away, because if this isn't a holo or better, then we know straight away that this box is not a mappable box. But we have got a white code, so it still could be an old mappable box. Dark Energy, Pokeball, Hypno, Big Masada, reverse, and a Dragonite holo. Put the holos here. Might sleeve up the reverse rare as well. So we did get a holo. So we're going to skip 2 packs again. And we're going to see. This one again could be a white code. It is a white code. We could have found an old box here, which means this one is normally a GX, because it goes holo, GX, holo, GX. So this will be a GX or a secret rare or something like that. Toucannon is a reverse rare, and it's a Lapras GX. So we've got a Lapras and a Tauros, and 2 reverse rares, and a Toucannon. Toucannon cross. So we'll skip another 2 pack and open this one. Again, in theory, it looks like it could be a big coincidence, but it's looking pretty likely that this is a mappable box. So they're obviously still out there in the wild. Granville or DCE. We'll stick that on our half decent trainers. This is a good card. It's just to slow your opponent down card, but it's a good card. Butterfree is a reverse rare, and then a holo. Terracina holo. So, yep. We have what looks like a mappable box on our hands. Skip to GX or better. Should be coming up now. It's pretty bad that they've done this. It's a bit obvious. The amount of like YouTube videos and bits and bobs that are out there now, it was obvious that people were going to work this out. Team Skull Grunt is a nice trainer. A Metapod is Spadina. And the rare is an Umbreon GX. Oh, that's a full art. Nice. Is the Lapras full? No, I think that's as they are. Nice. Umbreon, Lapras and Tauros. And we go. This should be a holo. Or a secret rare is kind of the theory. Holo or secret rare. So we've got Fire Energy, we have a Timeable, which are quite cool. A Boldor, an Ultra Ball, which is also quite cool. A Lantern is a reverse rare. And the rare is a holo Crobat. A lot of reverse rares as well, aren't we? 4 reverse rares. So, I believe it's that one, and that one, and then this one should be a GX. Card trick, get rid of the commons, because I'm sure you've seen enough Sun and Moon videos by now to have seen some commons. And a Wishy Washy. Oh, a reverse Rowlet. And the rare is a Lurantis GX. Still no Decidueyes. I still don't have a Decidueye, which is quite annoying, but oh well. We'll move on. So, move on to this slot. It should, in fact, be a secret rare or a holo. Or a wild card, so like a full art trainer or something like that maybe. We can hope. A Rotom Dex. A Nestball, quite a cool card. A Dartrix. A Alolan Raticate is a reverse. And a Topex is a holo. So we're going to miss 2. And here we go. This is kind of one of the reasons I'd recommend never buying an opened Sun and Moon box from eBay. Even if it's full, they could have done this with 2 boxes and then put 2 boxes into one and sell you a load of duds. So I would not buy anything unless it was sealed Sun and Moon wise. So that's just my little tip. Sandy Grass. And it is a Team Skull Grunt. It's a full art trainer. Nice, 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 nice. So, forgotten what we're on. So is this holo? Is this one the holo? Or a secret rare? Could well be. We have Energy, a Golbat, a Dragonair, a Poliwhirl, a Wishy-Washy, a Shenantic, a Shinotic we're going to go with. This is the rare, sorry. A Shinotic is the rare, which is a great card to use. That is a great card to pull out your grass Pokemon. So, what looks to be the last GX of the box. Can we pull that hyper rare Decidueye? I'm not sure I've done that right. I don't know why, I felt like I did the card trick wrong there. Ilima, Passiman, Pokemon Catcher. Yeah, I thought I did that wrong. I don't know how I did that, but a Lapras GX is the full art, and a Rotom Dex is the holo. It's a really nice card. Such a nice card, that Lapras. So is that the full art? I find it hard to tell with these new cards. So how do you tell? So have we got 5? 5 full art, but then they're I'm not sure. It's cool though. We've got 4 and a full. So 6, total of 6. Sorry, I should move these down, but it's just on where the camera is, so they're not going to sit well, but you get the gist. So, the last pack of this opening will hopefully be that secret rare Ultra Ball. He says with no confidence whatsoever, but it could be, because the secret rares are in fact in the holo slots. So can we get number 7, or will it just be a holo? Grass Energy, Rare Candy, Araquanid, Spinda, a Yungoos Reverse, and the rare, it's just a holo. It's a holo Glyph. And there we go. That's sleeved up. So we got 6. We didn't get a secret rare in this box, so that was a bit upsetting, but overall not bad. Got Lurantis. We've got a Team Skullgrunt, an Umbreon, a Lapras, a Tauros GX, and another Lapras GX. So looks like I might play the Lapras deck. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.